In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on your profile and Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings and click Privacy on the left-hand side. This is a really easy thing to do. First, on your activity, you're going to say who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow, and you're going to set it to only me. Then you are going to do the same for this one that says who can see your friends list. You're going to set it to only me. And then finally, you are going to make sure that it is all saved once you reload. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.